Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the mirror of perception, seeing the world through the lens of the self. Ladies and gentlemen, the statement, "We don't see things as they are, we see them as we are," unveils a silent truth that governs human existence. Every image formed, every judgment passed, and every reality experienced is filtered through the unseen lens of the self. In the ceaseless currents of modern life, where information overwhelms and noise drowns clarity, this realization becomes not merely philosophical but a vital key to understanding life itself. What appears outside is often a reflection of what stirs within. Contemporary science affirms that perception is not a passive act. The brain, with its intricate neural pathways, does not receive reality like a camera. It constructs it through interpretation. Thoughts, beliefs, and emotions become the invisible architects of this construction. Psychology identifies how deeply ingrained biases color every interaction, silently shaping what is noticed, what is ignored, and what is misunderstood. Within the body, emotions manifest not as fleeting feelings but as biochemical reactions. The physiology of anger contracts vision towards conflict. Gratitude, conversely, expands the mind's canvas to notice beauty. Biology teaches that perception is not merely visual. It is hormonal, cellular, and rhythmical, resonating through the very pulse of existence. Beyond these physical dimensions, ancient wisdom speaks of a subtle truth. The Atma, the innermost self, remains a silent observer, witnessing the ever-changing drama of life without attachment. Cosmic energy, described across spiritual traditions and increasingly explored in modern physics, interlinks consciousness with the fabric of reality. Observation itself becomes a force that shapes the observed. A restless, agitated mind perceives disorder in the world. A mind anchored in clarity perceives harmony even amidst chaos. The external world, therefore, becomes a mirror reflecting the inner state. In this mirror, not the world, but the self is being seen. What's the way forward? Refining perception begins with a return to stillness. Amidst the relentless motion of modern existence, stillness becomes not an absence of activity, but a heightened state of alignment. When breath synchronizes with attention, when heart rhythms align with the calm awareness, the entire mind-body system shifts into coherence, a state where brain waves entrain into harmonious patterns. This coherence is not mystical, it is measurable. Neuroscience reveals that brain entrainment through rhythmic breathing, focused contemplation, and meditative stillness reorganizes neural networks, allowing perception to transcend habitual filters. Through consistent inner alignment, perception evolves from reaction to realization. The shadows cast by restlessness, judgment, and ego begin to fade as the inner self shines with quiet luminosity. The mirror clears, not because the world has changed, but because the perceiver has aligned with clarity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the revealed Bhagavad Gita encapsulates this inner mastery. One must elevate oneself by one's own self and not degrade oneself, for the self alone is the friend of the self, and the self alone is the enemy of the self. As the outer sun rises, it dispels the shadows of the earth, awakening life with its light. The inner sun, when allowed to rise through stillness and self-mastery, dispels the shadows of ignorance, fear, and distortion within. The outer sun is revealed for nurturing life across the cosmos. The inner sun is to be revealed for illuminating the path to one's true essence. In the mirror of perception, it is not the world that awaits change, but the perceiver who awaits awakening. When the inner sun rises, clarity dawns, shadows fade, and the world is seen not as it appears, but as it truly is. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.